Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make banh mi tofu tacos. Cue the music. Alright, thanks a lot for watching today. I appreciate you being here. Like I said, we're going to be making banh mi tofu tacos. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 1 block of tofu, firm, that we have pressed and cubed, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, and 1 garlic clove that we have minced up. For our pickled vegetables, we've got 1 carrot cut into matchsticks, 1 cucumber cut into matchsticks, half a cup of rice wine, half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon salt, and then we're going to add a little bit of some good ingredients to it when we plate this all up. But like I said, we're making banh mi tofu tacos. Let's get started. Alright, we want to cut our cucumber and our carrots into matchsticks or julienne, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that up. Alright, there's the carrots. I'm going to do up the cucumber now. Alright, we got our cucumber and our carrot all julienne. I'm going to add our heated up water, vinegar, salt, and sugar into this. And we're going to let that sit and marinate for just a little bit. Make it all covered underneath there. We're going to let these pickle a little bit. Set them off to the side. Then we're going to do our tofu here. I've got a tofu press. As you can see in there, we got our tofu, and it's being pressed down by this lid that's got this little screw on here that you can push this down. See, that pops up. And that kind of presses your tofu. But your tofu comes right up out of there, and you can see all of the liquid that's in there came out of that. So you can find this on my Amazon store too, in the links down below. In fact, this recipe is down in the links down below, so be looking for that. Now let's cut up our tofu here, and we're going to do this just a little differently. Got a gallon plastic Ziploc bag. I'm going to take our tofu and we're going to cut it in about 1/4 inch. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to cook this up kind of like a ground beef a little bit. So we get it nice and thin. I want little cubes because if we have too big of cubes, it's going to look funny on our tortillas when we go. So 1/4 inch this way. Alright. Now let's go this way. Same thing, about 1/4 inch. Alright, a lot of tofu crumbles there. So we're just going to throw it into this Ziploc bag that we've got here. Alright, all that tofu. Get your lid open, because now you can take all the first ingredients in the recipe and you can add them all into a bowl and mix them up, or you can just pour them in separately, because we're going to shake this up and it's all going to blend anyway. Get your garlic in there, sriracha, vinegar, soy sauce, and your sesame oil. We're just going to leave a little air in there. We're just going to shake this up really well. Let the air out. There you go. We got our tofu marinating. We have got our vegetables pickling. Let's let half an hour. I'm gonna meet you over by the stove. We're gonna cook our tofu. All right, we don't have a whole mise en place over here, but we do have our tofu that we've had marinating for like a half hour now. So I'm getting my pan hot on a medium-high heat. If you want to add a little bit of oil into your pan, that's fine. But remember the marinade's on there, and that's gonna keep it from sticking. All right, pan is getting hot. I'm not gonna cook all of this tofu. I'm gonna keep some to have for a little bit later. Let's do half. Try to get one layer in there. We're going to try to get all of the layers. I'm sorry. We're going to try to get it evenly cooked on all sides. It's going to be kind of impossible with the tiny sizes they are. But we just want to brown this up nice and give it some texture. Now if you want to, you can hit it with a little bit more sesame oil and then deglaze it with a little bit more soy sauce, which is what I did. We're letting that cook down. When the soy sauce and all the liquid evaporates out, we're going to stir around a little bit more and then that's done. All right, the liquid has evaporated out of there. We've got some nice color on there, probably a little crust on the tofu too, give it some texture. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. All right, we're going to take this over, plate it up onto our banh mi tacos, tortillas, and then we're going to take pictures of it and we're going to come back and give it a taste, so don't go anywhere. These smell fantastic. I can't explain, but they just smell all the flavor they've got in there. There is our taco, banh mi taco. Got a little jalapeno, hot sauce, mayo, a little cilantro. Let me give it a little squirt of some lime juice here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Here we go. Where do I begin? First thing I taste, the pickled cucumbers and the carrots. Definitely have a different profile in flavor and texture. And then the mayo in there kind of smooths everything out. That tofu, the way it's cut up and cooked, it just tastes just like pork or it has the consistency and texture of pork or chicken, so that makes it good. In case you're all, oh my god, it's tofu. That's really good. That tortilla takes the place of that crusty bread you get on a banh mi sandwich. Makes it a little bit easier to eat. But man, this is a fantastic mix up. It's got a whole bunch of different flavors in there, a whole bunch of different textures. You really need to give this a try. Banh mi tofu tacos. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.